that? Hear that? That's a great sound. That's a lawnmower. That's right. There's a guy mowing his lawn already. What is it, April 20 whatever? It's so nice to hear that. I just love it. And I love this too. This is nectar. Nectar of the gods. Cheers. Happy Monday. So delicious and so smooth. Really feels great. I do also have this as well. See that? Every morning I have a cup of coffee from McDonald's. It's kind of a habit, routine. We all have routines we go through every day. Kind of keeps us normal. Sense of normalcy in our life. I'm no different. So anyway, it's Monday morning. Got a lot to do today, but I'm kind of hungry, so I'm gonna go get some soup at the grocery store. And I did wash my hair. Look how nice that looks. Yeah, I'm into my hair. Some guy made a wisecrack about my hair. He said if you focus less on your hair and more on your content, you might be doing better. Jesus H. You people. I love most of you. 98.8%. I love all of you. But once in a while, there's that one person, the bad apple. Anyway, you have a great day, and I'll talk to you a little later. Bye.